Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the power supply has the required two 8-pin PCIe leads. This is why you check labels now. Once done, shut down and unplug the PSU and touch metal to discharge static. Make sure the GPU is seated in the PCIe slot and any plastic caps are removed. Then route the first 8-pin cable from the PSU up to the GPU opening, aligning the clip so it will click in without forcing. This sets the stage for the second cable. Now you plug in the first 8-pin firmly until you hear or feel the clip engage. That click confirms proper seating. Next, route the second 8-pin so it follows a gentle curve, avoids obstructing fans, and minimizes tension at the connection. Make sure both connectors have identical orientation and that the latch faces the GPU retention tab. If a cable resists, stop and reorient rather than forcing. Once both are seated, lightly tug each to confirm they're locked in place. With both 8-pin cables connected, plug in the PSU and power the system. Watch for GPU fan spin and a successful post. If there's no display or fans, power down and reseat each connector, swap to the other PSU PCIe outputs, or try different modular cables. This often fixes contact issues. Also, make sure your PSU wattage meets GPU requirements and observe motherboard LEDs or beep codes to pinpoint faults. One key tip: a gentle reseat usually solves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.